so I'm from London in the UK. So the reason I chose HWT Clinic, looked at reviews online, everything seemed really excellent. They've got fantastic referrals as well, so meaning people refer their friends and they come back to the clinic. My experience actually at the clinic was fantastic from the get-go. Anything from transports to and from the clinic was really well in place. Everything good time in and got me here nice and quickly. My actual experience at the clinic was the only one here, so they welcomed me as a team of around about 8 or so people. Immediately got things kind of moving, so took initial kind of pictures and shots, then went through the whole procedure, what to expect, drawn kind of different hairlines and different approaches in terms of what I was kind of looking for. The payment was made and we went through actually into the procedure. Procedure went really well, so I was sedated for the first period. I actually fell asleep for around about half or so of the procedure, which was great. Then initially, the sedatives kind of wore off, so I woke up, but I didn't feel really any pain, and if I did start to feel any pain at any point, I can just ask for a local anaesthetic and then kind of went away. Had a really good lunch as well. So had a small kind of hour or so break in the middle, just for me to kind of eat and regain a bit of strength, and then went back into stage 2, which was more kind of focused on the front. But overall experience went really well. It's already healed up really nicely. Came in today for a wash and everything went really well. Redness has already kind of started reducing, which is great, and I'm kind of ready to go back home to the UK now. So really good experience.